Welcome to 10%, the sharpest slice of knowledge. Your business is a ship. You've got the crew, the gear, and a destination in mind. But your customers? They're on their own tiny rafts, drifting away. You're losing them, one by one. What if the solution wasn't a better sail, but a magnetic force that pulls them back to you? That force is a customer-centric strategy. It's not a department or a single action. It's a complete shift in gravity. Your business stops being a ship sailing for its own profit and becomes a harbor built for your customers' needs. How do you build that harbor? It starts with a blueprint. You have to listen, not to sales numbers, but to the actual sound of your customers. What are their frustrations? What do they secretly wish for? They're giving you the answers. You just have to look beyond the surface. Analyze their conversations, read their reviews, turn their words into your strategy. Once you have the blueprint, you build something truly unique for them. This is the art of personalization. Stop treating your customers like a faceless crowd. Give them a key to their own private room in your harbor. This is about more than just a name in an email. It's about building a space that feels like it was designed just for them, from the recommendations you make to the support you offer. Finally, you don't just build a harbor for them, you invite them to become part of the crew. Your best customers are your greatest asset. When they feel truly valued, they will naturally tell their friends, their family, their followers. Their trust becomes your greatest engine for growth. The work they do is more powerful than any ad you could ever buy. So stop building a ship that only serves itself. Start building a harbor that serves your customers. That's the customer-centric shift. And that's how you turn a business into a destination that people want to sail to again and again. Drop your thoughts below, and if this helped, give it a like or share. You don't need to know everything, just the right 10% that makes all the difference. If this video gave you that edge, imagine what the next one will. Thank you for watching.